Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gardiner, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provides stress-free relocation assistance to Gardiner locals, which you deserve. There are many benefits when you liaise with 3 Movers for your relocation. They're more prompt in service delivery than the average local mover. They're efficient in handling clients' packing, and they have the right crew members to handle each aspect of your local relocation. They're also knowledgeable about the routes in Gardiner, having served the locals for years. If you want to handle the packing of your belongings personally, 3 Movers will provide you with the durable moving containers where you can pack them and have the team send them to your destination. They also have durable packing materials that ensure the safety of your belongings while being transported to you. They are also experts in moving antiques, collectibles, and other fragile possessions in your home, ensuring that they are intact and when they arrive at your new home. Transporting your belongings across long distances efficiently requires the expertise of credible long-distance movers, and the most reputable among them is 3 Movers, whose expertise in handling cross-country relocation is renowned. They assist clients with moving their belongings across the distance of their move effortlessly, helping with the documentation of their belongings, which is required for interstate relocation. They also take a free physical estimate of your relocation and provide a price quote based on the distance of your move and the number of items you're moving along. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gardiner moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.